friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to get reminder after using Facebook for a certain time. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till you get your time on Facebook. Then press on manage your time. Scroll down a little bit till we get daily time reminder. Get reminder after you have used Facebook for the amount of time you choose. Daily time reminder, press on this icon. You will get notification from Facebook. You will send you a reminder after you have used a Facebook for the amount of time you choose. Your average time per day on this device in last week is 20 minutes. If you want to change it, you can press here to make how many hours. Let's set 1 hour and 30 minutes, for example. After that, press on set reminder. Now you already activate. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to get reminder after using Facebook for a certain time. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.